Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Breezy HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in app.breezy.hr and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Breezy HR website. Now you will be taken into the login portal right away. You can simply enter your company email address that you used while signing up for your account and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can also use your Google, your LinkedIn or your Microsoft account to log in to your Breezy account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password to reset your credential as well. Finally, click on the Sign In button and you will be logged into your Breezy HR account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Breezy HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.